to our Nan Hua drumming session. In our session, we will use a simple way to teach you how to play Chinese drum. Today we are going to do the second class of Liping Universal Drum called 147, which consists of 2 classes. But for now, we're going to do the first class, which has 2 lines. The first line is I, Si, Chi, I, San, Si. When you play I, Si, Chi, you have to raise your hands up. On I is left, Si is right, Chi is left. Now, let's try to play I, Si, Chi on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We move to the second beat. The second beat is I, San, Si. Let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try to play the whole line using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We move to the second line. The second line is I, Si, Chi, Chi, Zo, Zo, Yo, Zo. Now that we already learned the I, Si, Chi, we will do the second beat, which is Chi, Zo, Zo, Yo, Zo. Let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed 200. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to link them playing on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed 200. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our first class of 147. Take your time to practice so that you can be able to know and play the beats. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button.